Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 reference 116203 stainless steel and yellow gold with a Black Onyx Diamond dial. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the movement, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. It has an oyster case, stainless steel, 36mm. On the Rolex website, they actually call it an oyster steel and yellow gold. So let's see what they mean by that. What they mean is that this case right here, where I'm pointing to on my thumb, that part is steel. The bezel right here is yellow gold, 18 karat yellow gold. And actually they call the material yellow Rolex. That's a combination of steel and yellow gold, also known as two-tone or bimetal or dual metal or, something like that. Okay, it's 36mm from my thumb to my index finger. It's man size, but not a huge man size, like an average to small man size. Now the bezel, it's a domed bezel. Now what do I mean by that? What do they mean by that? They mean that the bezel kind of has this curve to it, like an arch to it, as opposed to a smooth one that's completely flat. It has a dome to it, and I think that gives it nice proportions. It's 18 karat yellow gold, and it's domed. I like that. It makes it not look so flashy and still looks very, very classy, so it's very cool. Let's talk about the crystal. It's a scratch resistant crystal. It has a cyclops and date at 3 o'clock. It also has a screw down twin double lock waterproofness, and it has a waterproofness of 100 meters, meaning you could dive with this watch. Yes, you heard it, you could dive with this. Although I don't know who would be diving with diamond watches, but you could do it if you wanted to. The movement is housed inside here with a screw down case back, and it uses a caliber 3135, which has been in production for like 30 years, and it's tried, tested, does not cost a lot to maintain. I suppose if you call $700 servicing not a lot, then it wouldn't be a lot. It has a precision of plus minus 7 seconds a day, a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, and high performance paraflox shock absorbers, and has a power reserve of like 48 hours. So basically all that blah 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 means is that it's got a Rolex movement, it's real, it's awesome, and it's gonna really do very well. Let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet is an oyster bracelet, 3 flat piece link across. That means uno, dos, tres, 3 pieces. It's yellow gold in the center where I'm pointing to, and brushed stainless steel on the outside. Very, very nice. A real fan of the oyster bracelet. I think it looks sporty yet still dressy. So for me, I really like it. Rolex calls it a yellow Rolex combination of oyster steel and 18 karat yellow gold. Again, some people call it all sorts of different names, but yeah, it's basically steel here and yellow gold here. Steel and yellow gold, another way to call it. The clasp is a folding oyster clasp with a 5mm comfort extension and closes like that. The 5mm part is the part that goes like this. Bang. Not so difficult, huh? Now, let's move on to the dial, which I saved for last. I think it's pretty cool. Actually, it's very cool. It's very unique. What do you guys see? You see there's actually no hour markers. And this is the only watch that Rolex makes that I know of, and I only have seen like 10,000 Rolexes, that does not have hour markers. The whole purpose of telling time is to have hour markers. Unless you're wearing a Rolex, then it doesn't matter. Whatever time you think it is, that's the time. And that appears to be the case with this watch because there's no hour markers. Who cares? You don't really need the time. Isn't that what your phone is for? So I think it's pretty cool. I want to show you guys, what time do you think this is? Pop quiz at home. Is this 1:15? Is it 2:15? I don't know. Let's find out. Turn it one more. That must be 2:30, 3:30, and 4:30. I think you'll get used to it after a while. 5:30 or 5:15. 5:30 right there, and bang, 6 o'clock. Not that difficult, right? And it has a diamond at the 6 and diamond at the 9. And it has a completely flat black face. I have not seen a dial like this. They don't make this dial anymore, actually. So, yeah, if you like this watch, click on the link in the description below and buy it. We actually sell these watches at jazztime.com, and we make these videos so customers like yourself can watch them and decide for themselves if they want to buy it. Now I'm going to try it on as I promised. That's how it looks like on an average man's wrist. And there you go.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.